Hi friend, how are you? Today I will discuss the introduction of determinant. So dear student, let us understand the determinant by help of this definition. Determinant, determinant is a value associated with any square matrix. Okay, let us understand the determinant by the help of following point. Point number 1. Okay, determinant is denoted by the sign determinant of A. You will not read it as the absolute value of A. You will read as determinant of A. Point number 2. Okay. Let us suppose we have a determinant of order 2 by 2. I am writing a general determinant having a general element A11, A12, A21, A22. You will for simplification of this determinant, you will multiply left top element with right most bottom element. Means A11 into A22 minus left most bottom element with right most top element. A21, A22. You will write minus sign between these two multiplications. This is the value of a determinant of order 2 by 2. Okay, now the third point, how you will solve a determinant of order 3 by 3. Determinant of order 3 by 3. Let us suppose we have a determinant of order 3 by 3 having element A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay? Okay. My dear student, we will expand this determinant in general in respect of any row or any column. Okay. And second concept. But when in any row or any column having maximum element of 0, we will expand in that cases on the basis of that row or that column. That is, if let us suppose first row having maximum 0, so we will expand this in the respect of first row. If first column having maximum element 0, so we will expand in respect of first column. Okay, I will explain this. Let us suppose I am expanding in the respect of first row. So I will write A11, I will left there, I will hide there first row and first column. So I will write A22, A32, A23, A33. Then I will write minus sign. I will tell you the sign convention in the second next point. A12 means you will hide the element of the row of first, you will hide the first row and second column. Then you write A21, A23, A31, A32. Now plus A13, A13 means you will hide first row and third column. A21, A31, A32, A32. After this, you expand it like as then step second. Okay. So I hope you understand this one. Okay. What is the reason behind to write the sign plus, minus, plus? I will tell you about the sign convention. Let us suppose we have a determinant of order 3 by 3 having 9 elements. Okay. I will write plus sign for this element, then minus, then plus. If here is plus in cyclic order, in alternate order, plus, minus, plus, then minus, plus, minus, then plus, minus, plus. Right? For example, I have a determinant of order 2 by 2, 3 by 3, having element 1, 0, 5. Okay. In which respect I will just expand it. I will expand in the respect of first column, because first column having maximum element are 0. After expanding in the respect of the first column, the sign convention like that, plus, minus, plus. It is very easy to expand it because the rest two elements are 0, so you can write directly 2 your hide first row and first column 1, 5, 3, 5. Means 2 into 5 is 5, 5 is 15, 15 minus 5 minus 10 and minus 20. So this is the benefit of the zeros, because our calculation will be reduced. So that's all my dear student. I hope you understand this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.